is your fluffy slime just hard, just like this? Mine pretty much always is. So that's why I found out a trick to keep it soft without having it sit in a bag for months and months. So, first get some hot water and just gonna heat up a little bit. Well, and put some in a container. Sorry, I have a little gnat with me here. And put your slime in the container. And then you will put hot water over it. You will pour hot water over it. And then put some soap in it as well. I don't know why, but you don't have to do that. But I just do that. So then you get some bubbles up in there. Oh. Hot water. Oh. And now you just let it soak for a minute. You just sort of knead it in the water and stuff. So yeah. And now you just let it soak for like a couple 30 seconds or something. So yeah, I'm just kneading it right now. So yeah, I'll get back to you when it's all soaked. Okay guys, it's all soaked in the water, and what you do is just take your slime out of the water, rinse it in the water a little bit, and there goes a piece. So you just rinse it off a little bit and squeeze some of the water out and just set it aside. And now you just dump the water out of your container and just rinse your container out. Natalie just burped. Well, anyway, so you dry your container off and stuff. And yeah. So I will get back to you when. Now you just need to knead it and stuff when it's not wet, but I'll get back to you. And now this is how the slime turned out. Let me just play with it a little bit. Oh, look at that stretch. It's awesome. A lot better than what we had last time. He's looking. Oh, that's not very stretchy, but like, look at that stretch. It's amazing. It's amazing, right? Totally. Look at that. It's awesome. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. And here's a blooper.